y'all, it's almost fall and we have a home decor haul. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Sherita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sherita. Welcome. So in today's video, we have a haul, a home decor haul. I partnered with Zgallerie and Wayfair on Instagram, and I have some items I'm going to unbox over here, and we're going to style them on Instagram as well. But the main goal is to share them here. And I'm also getting a new sofa today. So hopefully the sofa will arrive before I finish this video so I can include it in this video as well. So please stay tuned so we can go over all the things I received. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with this haul. I've already started unboxing a lot of the items because I want to get the boxes broke down and out of the way so when my new sofa come in, I won't have a lot of clutter. So you saw what I was working with. Let's go ahead and start going over everything. So for this haul, it's really going to be a lot of pillows and a little bit of vases and also maybe a few more other things. But let's go ahead and get started. First thing I'm going to share is going to be this glass. I have this large vase, gorgeous. It's like a matte finish. Can you see that? I love the curvatures in it, and it is from Zgallerie. That's just a little bit of the packaging on it. So there's no scuffs or anything on it. This is the large one. This is the small one. Absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. Like I said, just a little bit of the little packaging on it, but this is it. And here it is. So yeah, we're going to style these in the entryway. Right now I have a little bit of white going on, which white is not going to hurt, or creamy white. So we're just going to add this over there. This really pretty black coincide with this, but maybe for my Instagram video, I may do something different just to showcase all of the Zgallerie pieces in one video. So yeah, we got these. And I'm not sure what the price is. Like I mentioned before, Zgallerie is sponsoring a Instagram video. So I do have a code, which is HW05, that you can use when purchasing anything over on Zgallerie's website. You get an additional 5% off. So yeah, just wanted to share that with you all. Absolutely love these. Now, I don't know if you all know, but Zgallerie used to have several stores, and you can also purchase online. They closed all of their stores, so they just have items available online. So I enjoy sharing these items with you all so you can get a better visual how they would look in your space as well as mine. They've had these on their site forever. I have the small ones, the small white ones, if y'all remember, but these are the large ones. How cute are they? And I only got 6. I probably should have got 9 because I want to put them in some black and gold bowls that I have on my dining room table. So I usually put 3 in them. So looks like I only have 6, so I'll probably just do 1. And then I also have those gold Collins bowls from Zgallerie that I originally picked these or selected these for in there. So we'll see. We can use them either way, and I can also order another set. So these, I have 6 of these, and they came in this box. They come in sets of 3. Yeah. So I got 4 of these brown round pillows, and I love round pillows. Y'all know I love round pillows, but they just add a little pop of fun. And these are not the velvet, they're more like a wool material, and I think these would be really nice in the man cave. But we can always switch it up and just use it down here, use 2 down here and 4 in the man cave. But I love these. I selected 4 of these from Zgallerie. So we got those. I also love the pillows, their pillows so much. I also selected, this one should be the burgundy color. So we're going to pull some burgundy into the space. We have 2 of these burgundy pillows, and They are also round. I've already pulled my gray chairs back into the space in my hearth room area. The new sofa is coming, and I wanted to pull like gray and burgundy in that space. And my daughter just got a new sofa. She moved apartments. It's been a whole year, y'all. It's been a year and some months, actually. She moved June of last year, and she just moved August of this year into her new apartment. Her new sofa came today. We delivered it, but we hadn't put it together. It's gray. And after she got her sofa, but keep in mind, it's not put together, but she selected colors and she wanted to go with pink. She also said maybe the tiger print or leopard print with pink. And then she also said pink, burgundy, and I show her a little bit of gray. So I put this other pillow I'm going to show you. So when she said burgundy, I was like, I already got, well, she didn't say burgundy. She sent me a picture and it had burgundy and pink in it. I think she just wanted to show the pink pillows in the picture. But after she showed it to me, I was like, oh, I got the burgundy. I just ordered the pink. And I also have gray that I'm using in my home, which is the burgundy and the gray. So with all of that being said, I was like, you can, if you want these, we'll let you see how it look. I'll go ahead and give them to you. But we have the burgundy and the round. And let me show you the gray pillow, which is going to be that pop of fun. Y'all know that texture. I love texture. I love this pillow. Let me show it to you. So this is the pillow I also received from Zgallerie, and this is Mongolian fur. And I did get two of these. It is the ombre effect. So you have the light into the dark, or it depends on the direction you change your pillow or flip your pillow to, you have dark into the light. So my goal was to do in my living room and still keep my art in place. I wasn't changing any art. I was just going to change some of the decor around the room and go with the burgundy and gray. And it's so gorgeous, y'all. I already got my pillows, my chairs in place. I'm just waiting on my new sofa. So with the pop of pink, it's going to look gorgeous, gorgeous. But she wants the gray and pink, and this burgundy would just add a little bit more fun in her space. So we these may end up at her house, but I'm going to show them over here for now, and we'll just see how it goes from there. But like I said, we haven't even put her sofa together. We'll probably do that tomorrow. So yeah, that is that. I do have two of these, and I have two of these from a Zgallerie. So we do have a few more pieces along with the sofa from Zgallerie, but I want to go ahead and jump into opening these boxes from Wayfair. Don't know how they look, but I know it's in that color family I was originally working with. But I was like, wouldn't this color look good with this color? Because that's what I wanted to do in my daughter's house with the gold and pink still with this color. And she came back with the pink and some more pictures, but we'll see. It's her decision. And the good thing about it, she has a mom and a person who does not mind sharing her items with her daughter. So she gets to choose. And I really like how it looked online. So I can't wait to see how it looks in person. And y'all, this is gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It is gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It kind of looked black, right? But it's really considered to be, let's see what color it says on the box. If it says, it just says vase. Seems like it had the color once before. But yeah. So this is the small vase. Or it's, yeah, this is the large vase. And it looks black, but it's not. It's more of that cognac color, but you can't tell because of the lighting. But it's a really pretty dark color. I love it, y'all. It looks black on the table. So I may be keeping that one. I was going to give it to her, but on this black table, it looks black, right? Yeah, it looks black on the black table. I don't know. Can you see that? Let's put it. Let me show you. So right here, it looks light because the light's shining through. And I'm going to put it on this black pillow. And now it looks black. So yeah, I love it. It's going in here. It's going in here. I'm keeping it. So we have that one, and this is the smaller one. Okay, let's see. And I have a couple of links, so we'll share both links uh, over here because technically they're not sponsoring my YouTube video. They're sponsoring me on Instagram. So this is the smaller one. It is gorgeous, y'all. Look at it. I love it. I love it. It kind of looked like a tissue box. It does, but it's cute. I love it. I love the colors. Really, really dark. It looks a little lighter on the picture, but it still works for my space. So now we know how it looks. But I love the shape. I love the color. And they are sold individually. So if you're like me, you like to buy sets of threes and sometimes sets of twos. You can also just buy three of these and line them across your table like I usually do. But we're going for that 1-2 look. Love it. Love it. Love it. Okay. So we have that, and I'm gonna try to get all this cleaned up and show you how the space looks right now after we put everything in place, even with the new sofa, because I am way behind. I know I've been missing y'all. I have. I've been somewhat busy, but I've been trying to figure out how to come back with what content. So I just decided to come back with a haul. Then we'll go back outside. We had a storm. We've had some issues outdoors, but it looks beautiful today and it feels good outside. So we're going to also open this throw. And it is gorgeous. It's black. I'm on that black and black and tan and black and gold and black and everything right now. But this kind of puts me in the mind of peacock feathers. And they do have pillows like these too, y'all. And these are called the Pluma Throw. This is the Pluma Throw. I'll leave links to all of these items in the description, as well as my coupon code. Although they're not sponsoring this video over here, as I mentioned, that coupon code will work if it's something you see and you want to get an additional 5% off of their already sale price. So yeah, that's the good thing about it. So this throw is gorgeous. I had a little inexpensive throw I had over there, but I wanted something with some texture in here. And this throw, if you can see the little peacock looking feathers, but it's not peacock looking feathers. It's really a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Make sure my mic is on. It is a gorgeous throw, and we're just going to throw it right over here. Right over here. So yeah, that is that. Seems like I have one more item before the sofa comes. Let's see. Yeah, one more item. So not only am I preparing for fall, I'm also preparing for Halloween. I don't do a lot for Halloween. I definitely wanted to do a little bit something fun and cute, probably for a little dinner party or a cocktail party here at our house. So I picked up this little See No Evil, Hear No Evil, and Speak No Evil skeletons from Zgallerie. So I know everybody doesn't decorate or believe in Halloween, but for me, I'll do a little bit for it. And of course, I do pass out candy. So this is the See No Evil, Hear No Evil, and this is the Speak No Evil skeleton head from Zgallerie. Absolutely love it. I think it'll be a fun, cute item that I can either add to my bar or add to my tablescape for Halloween. So I believe that is it, y'all. We're waiting on the sofa to arrive. I'm going to go ahead and start breaking these boxes down. And then hopefully when the sofa comes, we can shift it where it's going. The goal is to put the sofa into our sitting area. I do want to change the rug in there, get all these boxes out of here, and prep for our new sofa. And then you get to see the space. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. I'm not going to put these out yet because we are really waiting for closer to Halloween. I may just go ahead and do the part I was originally going to do for them just to get this out the
Let's
way.
go ahead and move these boxes out of the way. And I'm going to go ahead and add one of the decorative faux allium spheres to each of the bowls on my dining room table. I originally was going to put them in my hearth room, but decided to go ahead and put one of each in each bowl. And these candles, they are from Arranges. I just want to go ahead and put those up. I do have a link to them. I'll leave it in the description. They smell really good. And I'm just moving the items out of the way so we can open the double doors. The delivery drivers just called and said they were 5 to 10 minutes away. So I am excited about that. And here they are. Of course, these double doors do come in handy. I was nervous about the boxes having to be broke down, but to my surprise, Zgallerie did gift me white glove service as well, which means they're going to unbox, move any furniture that needs to be moved, and install our new sofa. And originally, I did have them install it in our living room, but I did swap the sofas back around. The one that was in there before is made by Bernhardt, and I did put it back in place. I originally ordered it to go in this area, but I also want to see how it looked in the other area. And right after I placed an order for this sofa, the black and gray colors were released. So I would have probably chose the gray sofa to go in my hearth room. So they're removing the packaging. Toodaloo. See y'all later. And I'm so excited, and I love this beautiful rounded sofa. And here is a closer look of how the material looks. Really pretty, really soft. And it is a firm cushion with a firm back. 2 pillows came with it. A quick recap of everything I shared, and thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you like these types of videos and you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.